Hi, in this tutorial, I will introduce how we can open the NetCDF file. The data that I'm going to use here is the ERA5 reanalysis. There are a number of Python libraries to open and process the NetCDF files, such as SRA, NetCDF4. So in this tutorial, I will talk about NetCDF4. In another video, I will talk about XRA. Here is the link to download the data that I'm using for this tutorial. Before we start, I would like to acknowledge ECMWF because we are using the data. So this is the website where we can download the data, hourly data on pressure levels from 1979 to present. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to import the libraries. Here I import NetCDF4 as the NC. It is the library to open the NetCDF file. And then I import NumPy and Panda. And then the next step is that I need to specify where is the location of the data. Here I have small folder data, and inside it has the NetCDF file. And then after that, I open the NetCDF file by using the command nc.dataset. And it is very important that when we open the file, we need to see what the data inside the file. So by using the command print df, we can be able to see the information inside the file, like file format, NetCDF3, and dimensions, sizes, longitude, latitude, level, and time. Also variables that the file has. And the other way that you can look at the variables dimension is to use directly df.variables. And we can see there's several variables here like temperature and the wind. And we also need to look at the dimension of the file, like longitude with the size 1440, and also for the time. And here we will extract the file temperature from the data. We use the command df.variables and the letter T. And then we can print out a variable temperature. Here we have a scale factor and add offset, which you can search in Google to find more information about this. And we have a few value, and the unit here is Kelvin. The long name is temperature. Standard name is air temperature. It's very important that we look at the shape of the data. Here we have 210, 721, 1440. So 2 stand for time step, 10 vertical levels, and also latitude grid points and longitude grid points. And now we can select like a certain time step. Let's say at first time step like index 0, and also vertical level, certain latitude. For this case, let's pick the index at 90 for specific location. We need to check the index corresponding to that index. Suppose we pick an index at first time step or vertical level. Then we print out that temperature. We can route this value, and then we also need to print out the shape to see how many data that we have in that array. From this point, we can export this value to the CSV file. First, we need to specify the index by using the command numpy np.arrange. And then we specify the Python dictionary, and then using the Panda data frame to export to the CSV file. And when we do that, there will be a small CSV file appear on the left column here. We also need to check our output by open the file again. And oh, there's error. I see, because they have a different name, so that we need to put the name temperature here. And then it should work. And we print out the CSV file. So this is the value that we take from the CSV file. Okay, then, uh, free, please feel free to let me know if you have any analysis that you would like me to do or instruct. Please subscribe my YouTube too, and thank you very much.